these pop. Did you see that popping thing? Poppy. And these are called poppies. And they pop together. I have to show you which kind they are. But last time I was doing it, I didn't have these nail polishes on. But this, see those nail polish? Those are pretty.
You just hold it still and I'll move the camera now.
So, I have other stuff to show you. But my mama doesn't want me to do it. I'll be quick and fast, but she still would not like me to do it.
To do what?
Like being super fast and get a toy.
I don't really like when you leave the camera when I'm recording. You can do it if you want. I don't know if people are going to be very interested in it, but maybe they will. Go ahead. Maybe they like seeing your messy toy area.
But guys, do you see my messy toy area?
They also can't hear you as well sometimes when you walk away.
Just a minute, guys. I'll be right back. I have other stuff to show you. You can go back where you are. I'll be right back. I'm trying to figure out what I wanted to show you. Let me go back on my foot. It's more easier. See, you can't really see my face because it's kind of yucky. I left it out for a week or two. What?
Yeah, it's hard to hear you.
Why?
Maybe because the heater, I'm afraid they won't hear you very well. But I don't know. Maybe they will.
Just a minute, guys. I'm going to turn the heater off down. There you go. Basically, sorry guys, it's already gonna go now, so you can hear it better now. Right guys? So this might be hard for you to see. And I know, I'm wearing a flower dress and I'm dressed up.
Did you want to tell them anything about when your friend was over today and how you were talking after? Oh.
What?
Okay.
You can step on it. Well, it's kind of wobbly on your foot, I mean.
That's like the Cat in the Hat and the stands on that ball, right?
Yeah.
With a dish and a
Mug.
and a what else?
Cake.
A cake and a rake.
And a rake, and a bake, and a bake, and a fake, and a jake, and a fake. Whoa, whoa. It's kind of tippy.
We could ask people to comment on if they can think of any other parts from the Cat in the Hat, in that page on the Cat in the Hat. And the goldfish.
Can't think of goldfish. Oh, I want to go show you my other fish. It's real and it swims.
You want to go show them?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
That's not really good. There you go. Here. He might be hard to see. You could see his. There we go. This is just we're trying to figure out which for him to watch. But he been liking this. He been seeing this.
You want to tell him your fish's name?
His name's Becker. You know.
It's
what?
Do you want to look at the camera? If I like to watch videos usually when people look at the camera, but maybe some people won't mind.
Sorry, do you mind if I do the video without looking up or down?
They could post answers to your questions in the comments, right?
Yep.
And then we could find out. Okay, this has been a 5-minute video. I think it might be time to go before we run out of space.
Okay.
And
bye, guys.